It is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And you guys, today, well, first of all, you guys, I know it's been a long time, you guys, since I posted a video. You guys, I think when it might have been like a week ago, I posted one of my Etsy, what's in my Etsy shop videos, you guys. But it's been a long time since I have done a treat or a recipe video, you guys. But today, that is exactly what I'm getting ready to do, you guys. I'm getting ready to cook my dinner, you guys. Me and my husband's dinner. And we're kind of on a healthy kick, you guys. Not a kick, I'm going to say a healthy health change, you guys. I'm just going to say that. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I am eating on my health journey, you guys. So let's jump into this video, you guys. So what I am cooking for my dinner tonight, you guys, I am cooking shrimp stir fry, you guys. And the things you're gonna need, look, I'm looking around and everything is right in front of me, but I want to see how I just paused. Let's just get into the video, you guys. Okay, so what I am using, I'm using broccoli cuts, you guys. And I got this big family size bag from one of my local grocery stores, you guys. Broccoli is in every grocery store. But I got some frozen broccoli cuts, you guys. And I have some cooked shrimp, peeled shrimp, you guys. And I have the large shrimp. So you're going to need that. And I got my shrimp soaking in here, you guys, because they were frozen. So I got them sitting in here. And I have, let me move this stuff. I'm going to be using my olive oil. And in my stir fry, I'm going to be putting some garlic powder, you guys. And I'm going to use some lemon pepper seasoning, you guys. And I got my handy dandy skillet right here, you guys, that I'm going to be sauteing this stuff in. So, you guys, I will be back to show you guys how we're going to make this simple stir fry. Okay, you guys, so I have drained my shrimp. So I got my shrimp by me. I got my broccoli boiling, you guys. And I have poured my olive oil in the skillet, you guys. And it's already heated up, you guys. And what I'm going to do is take my garlic powder and I'm going to sprinkle some in there. And then I'm going to take my lemon pepper, you guys, and sprinkle some in there. Let me turn my eye down, you guys. You guys, and I'm gonna dump my shrimp off in here. And I'm going to stir this around, guys, and I'll be back. So here's my shrimp, you guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain my broccoli. And I will be adding it in the shrimp, you guys. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to add my broccoli to this mix. you guys. And I'm going to I'm going to stir this stir fry. And I will be back to show you guys the finished results. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished results. This is my broccoli stir fry, you guys. And you don't have to just put broccoli in here. You can put whatever you want to go in your stir fry. This is just what I chose, just broccoli, you guys. But as you see, it looks delicious, you guys. Let me zoom into these shrimp. My husband doesn't like the tails, but I do like them on the shrimp, you guys. So he's just gonna have to pick them off. But look, you guys, this looks so yummy. So yummy, you guys. But like I said, you guys, this was a short little video. And you guys will be seeing, if you guys want to see more healthy, if you want to see me do my healthy recipes, you guys, while I'm on my health journey, you guys drop in the comments, drop in the comment section if you would like to see it, you guys. And I will definitely post my healthy recipe videos, you guys. So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, like I always say. And guess what, you guys? I will party with you guys next time. Bye.